Absolutely unreal. Let's see if it works. Jesus Christ. Holy shit, dude. Holy shit. What in the fudge nuggets? What in the fudge nuggets, YouTube? Get your dookie together, brother. Get your dookie together, bruh. Holy balls. Shit. Mama billion art. Mama billion shit. Mama billion art. Mama billion. 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 Alright, hold on a second. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Tough. That's 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 tough. Yo, what up, Ramses, bro? What up, bro? What up? What up, dude? What up, RZ? What up, bro? What up, RZ? Hold on a second. I gotta get my Sprite. I gotta get my Sprite, bro. I gotta get my Sprite. 1 second, bro. Fuck that. Bro, the fingernail polish hand shit is crazy. Like, actually, you kind of wilding right now. What is up with my cam, bro? It's always wanting to. I don't know what it's doing. I'm on my business shit. I'm on my business. I don't know why the fuck that just popped in my head, bro. But it did. That shit mad corny. Bro. Oh my gosh. This freaking community, man. Sometimes I swear to God. Sometimes I swear to God. And I be clocking every bit of it. No, I'm just kidding. I don't clock shit, but because in order to clock it, in order to clock, like, hold on a second. All right. Here's how it works, bro. Here's how it works. All right. This is how it works. In order to clock, okay? In order to clock it, you got to be paying attention. And I don't really be paying attention. I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck at the end of the day. I don't be paying attention. I ain't got time for it. I ain't got time for it. It is what it is, bro. But let's go ahead and try and test this because why not using SSA? What is SSA, bro? What is that? Single script architecture. Like, what are we talking about? I don't know terminology very well. So I know what you're talking about, but I don't know it by name. But I know it is something that I know. I just can't make the connection. You're using multiple local scripts. I don't know, bro. This is an old ass project. This project's like 3 years old, but also, even if it wasn't, I don't even think I'd be doing it that way anyways. I just don't think it matters. I'm gonna keep it a buck. Yeah, I think that's honestly stupid. And I think people who program like that need help. That's just me though. You feel me? That's just me though, you feel me? Hold on a second. Let me try to up this real quick and see how it looks on the stream. That looks kind of good. That looks kind of clocked. I'm clocking meta right now. Yo, that looks fine. But now, this doesn't look good. I mean, it does, but it don't. It does, but it don't. That's like barely better. That's like barely better. Sure, you can use single bindable event, but sometimes you need it to happen at a specific moment. What are you talking about? What are you talking about, Ramses, bro? This project's old as frick, by the way. But if we're keeping it a buck, this project is 3 years old, bro. I don't code like this anymore. If you're criticizing this project, see, this is why I don't like sharing my screen sometimes, because y'all be going ham at shit, and 99% of the time it just don't even matter. But if we're keeping it a buck 55,000, right? Both of them work, RZ, right? Who gives a fuck at the end of the day? But if we're keeping it a buck 55, if we're keeping it a buck 55, actually, if we're keeping it a buck 59, I'm not gonna hold you. Like, this is how I code right now. I have client scripts, server scripts, and modules. The modules are the core functionalities. The client scripts handle the client of the modules and the surface level stuff, and the server scripts do the same thing on the server. And so I'll have casting in here, but I could use actor or you know, armor or cat, or I mean buff. I mean, I don't know. I don't have that much modules in this project, so this is not a good example, but I can use all these modules in the same server script for casting if I need to, and pull from the other and do all that stuff, right? So this is how I would code. This is how I code now. This is my favorite way of coding right now. And this is what I started doing after knit, and I like it a lot. And this is just what I decided to do, and I like it a lot. And this is how I code right now. I don't actually code how this goofy project is, because this is 3 years old. I'm just fixing the bugs in it. Bro pulled out the 59. That's what I'm saying, bro. And what up, Alta? What up, Altux? Where your hug? Yo. You must not know who you motherfucking talking to. Yo. Where your hug at? Your fucking parents, bro. Go in the next room with your parents. Hey, where your dad at is a better question. Why you on my stream asking for hugs, bro? You crazy as hell. You don't know who streaming is. You don't know RZ, do it. You don't know how we cracking off up in here. You feel me? That's crazy. Low it? What is yo? Yo. Allow it? Are you saying allow it, bro? Is that some French Canadian shit? Because allow it is like allow it, which is like UK. Oh, okay. Well, I'm sorry to tell you that slang already exists in the UK. You goofball. Clock that. I clocked that. I clocked that. bro? You're British? Yeah, a little bit. You feel me? A little bit. Yo, what up, action? Unsubscribed? Alright. Whatever, bro. You think we care up in here? We moving different. You think we care up in here, bro? You think we care up in here? We to the moon, bro. We going to the moon, brother. What up, Kobe? What up, bro? We to the moon. Nothing much, dude. Just working on this giz-ain't. You hear me? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we to the moon, bruh. We to the moon, bruh. Clocked. What are you clocking, bro? What are you clocking? That's crazy. What are you clocking? We need to stop, bro. Yo, RZ's a bad influence, bro. RZ's a bad influence, bro. I swear to God. RZ be having me on some goofy shit. I need to be professional on this YouTube, guys. As you guys know me, that I always keep it profesh. Okay? Alright, what am I doing here? Let's see. I think I'm ready for testing. So what I'm going to do here... Oh, what did I just do that for? We're gonna look this up. Did I just look that up? No. Did I just look that up? Is it not the same? Okay, there we go. Actually... Handle knockback. So... here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do local velocity equals require replicated storage. Wait for child. What up, Aussie? Bro, Aussie up in this bid. Nerfy up in this bid, bro. Thank you, Nerfy. I appreciate you, bro. Nerfy's a real one, dude. Nerfy, Aussie, bro. Y'all are some real ones. Ballsy kind of a real one sometimes, but he's got some strange takes, I think, here and there. You know what I'm saying? RZ always being a real one, you feel me? Meow. Alright, Altex is about to get banned. RZ, if you ever decide you want to ban Altex, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm right there with you, bud. And we're clocking that. I think we're clocking that together, bruh. I think we're clocking that at the same time. I think we are. Day one is crazy because you just found me off the For You like a few days ago, bro. That's crazy. It's funnier seeing someone else work on their game. What are you talking about, Altex? Like, let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it a buck 55,000. All right, what are you talking about, dude? I'm not gonna hold you, dude. You acting real brazy right now, dude. I'm not gonna hold that. You acting real brazy. Hold on a second. Let me look what I need to look at. Altex acting real brazy, bro. I can't lie. I've been watching you since 2020, 2010, dude. True. Seeing someone program is super funny. Yeah, bro. Funner, not funnier. Yo, what is going on here? Y'all are distracting. Y'all are distracting. I ain't gonna hold y'all. Okay, so alright, here's what we're gonna do here. This is a local script, so we're gonna say and I'm just gonna like comment that out for now. So we're gonna say velocity dot set velocity type player knockback, and then we're gonna have the knockback. We don't need anything actually. It's just gonna be knockback. This is for if we. Oh wait, this is for the knockback. Okay. So what do we do? Force and direction. So we'll do force direction. So that handles that. Should handle that. And then now let's go to our dash. Show. Let's go to our dash. Fly. Yo, what do y'all know about that song? Fly. Ow. Y'all know nothing about that. Y'all know nothing about that. I'm not gonna lie. Yo, what up? AH. I don't fave. Okay. I don't know what IDF means. Fave game dev, but what's up? What's up, What's up, bro? Altex needs to get clocked. I feel that though, bro. I think I seen you on Feed Finder. That's crazy. Chat is kind of wilding right now. I'm not gonna lie. Like y'all actually are kind of brazy right now in chat, aren't you? Y'all are actually a little brazy right now, aren't you? The fuck is that laugh? What laugh, bruh? Nobody's laughing. Chat. I can't even right now, chat. I can't even right now, chat. I'm not gonna hold you. Where's this at? Oh my god. This has got to be the shittiest shit ever. Y'all want to know what I'm about to do? I'm about to do the most stupidest shit ever. Hold on a second. Oh shit. Okay. Alright, so velocity, set velocity type, player dash. I can't just do like a return right here. Alright. Are y'all clocking this, bro? Are y'all clocking this right now? Hold on, can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see. Y'all clocked that, right? Y'all clocked that, right? This is next level shit right here, bro. Like deadass. Nobody does it better than me. Isn't it better for the camera to stay in the side? So I'm trying out the new stream feature, which is, what's it called? It's the new stream feature. What's it called, bro? It's dual stream. And so I put it in the middle just to like, so the dual stream picks it up. Because I don't have control over what the dual stream looks like. So it's supposed to be like on the side, if that makes sense. Oh, or not on the side, but it's like the dual stream, like it's supposed to be like on the mobile or whatever for like when you scroll shorts, apparently. So that's why I have that set up there like that. So yeah. We left 6-7 in 2025. I don't know, bro. That's a tough one because that shit was hard. I'm not gonna lie, bro. That's a tough one. That's a tough one, bro. Did we really leave 6-7 like that? Like, let's keep it a bug. Let's keep it a bug. So I just want to see if this works. That's all. I just want to see if this works. And it doesn't. Hold on a second. Attempt to index nil with max force. Callback replicated storage.velocity. Hold on a second. What? Replicated storage.velocity? Velocity. Attempt. Max force. What are you? Wow, bro, y'all really are cooked in this chat right now, duh. Oh, I can't even dash. So it's just not even freaking working. What in the hell? It thinks I'm blocking or some shit. Alright, dash. Hold on a second. Does it not think velocities? Like, oh, character. Yeah, it's supposed to be in the character. Duh. We didn't parent it. We didn't parent it. Where are we supposed to parent it? The root part, obviously. It's still not like thinking it's a thing, so hold on a second. Is that not linear velocity? Like, did I spell it wrong somewhere? It's not highlighting. Do these not highlight, bro? These don't highlight in Studio. This is why I don't like Studio. Studio is butt cheeks, bro. Like, nah, Studio is actually butt cheeks. Let's keep it a $159,000. And I gotta do this too, because it's not gonna even find it. So I'm actually tripping right there. I'm not gonna hold you. I am tripping right there. I'm not gonna hold you. Dash Ori though. We don't want that to be Dash Ori. Align orientation. Actually, align Ori.name equals align Ori. Let's just do that because I want to make sure that I get the right one. And I don't know what I'm not doing Dash Ori. Nah. So at zero, linear velocity. Make it recursive on a bitch. Yo, what up, Hayden, bro? Hayden, it's been a minute, bro. What's good? And we still can't dash on a bitch. Trying to dash on a B, bro. We can't dash on a B. Yeah, bro, back on sumo ball. Hell yeah, because you already know, dude. You already know we're gonna fix it up and we're gonna make this shit balling. We're gonna finish off the skills. We might do a little like update after I fix the bugs and finish off the skills. Maybe not though. I don't know if it needs it. Like if it's fun, it's fun, right? Like just fuck it. Align orientation. No linear velocity. Hold up. No linear velocity. Hold up. No linear velocity? No linear velocity? Hold up. No linear velocity? Are we dead at? Are we dead at? Oh, I'm retarded. I'm not even, oh my god. What am I, okay, what am I doing? See, this is why I don't like coding in Studio, bro. Like, this shit is ass. Like, you can't tell me different. This shit is ass. Oh, and we're not even, it's not gonna work still, because we We need to run this, actually. We're not even running this, bro. Alright. Give me some tips on how to get good with the ladies. Is actually crazy. I am not going to give you tips on how to get good with the ladies, bro. That would be so messed up, dude. All right, but here's what you do, okay? Listen close. Just shoot your shot with every single one, bro, and you learn off the rejection. If you can get good and breeze off rejection like it doesn't affect you, that's how you get good with the ladies. Dead ass. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do. Everybody has their own game. Everybody has their own personality. Everybody has their own lines. You know what I'm saying? There's no magic words, bro. It's just confidence and be yourself and brush off rejection like it doesn't mean anything. Talk to them, bro. Like, that's all you gotta do. Easy peasy. The more you do that, the better you'll get. Dada. Is that a clip? I'm gonna clip that for later, dude. That's a clip farm moment. That's what Tate was talking about. Clip farm moment. Yeah, fucking Tate. Look at Tate. Little shout out. Little shout out Tate. Hey, shout out Tate. Yeah. Croc coats. Croc quote. I can't even. I couldn't even say it. Like, what the hell? Yo, what am I doing? All right, let me lock in, dude. We can lock in, bro. What was I doing? You guys are distracting me, dude. Can't even lock in. All right. Velocity. Local velocity equals gain that replicated storage. Wait per child. Velocity require croc croc clocks. Thank you, Roblox Dev On, for giving me day. Why you had to say it like that, bro? That was kind of crazy. You kind of crazy for that. Cracked coats. Quotes. I can't even say it, bro. Like, what is, I can't say quotes after a K, like a word that starts with a K. Like, what is that? What is that? That's that new shit. That's that new shit. Alright, let's see if we got the dash working. Let's see if we got the dash working. Oh, something's working. Something working. Align Ori. Well, of course. Well, of course this isn't gonna work. And here's why. Because, whatchamacallit, and that's why. Alright. Why, though? Let's actually figure out why, guys. Okay. Did I do something wrong here? Oh, what is this dash Ori? What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? Dash Ori. We don't have a dash Ori. I thought did I not just like change this? I swear to God I changed it. Hold on, bro. What is happening right now? I swear to God I changed that shit, dude. Here, let me ban this like bot. Say toy boats. I don't know. Methinks you're trying to pull a fast one on me. Crack the quote. Holy crap. Select all. Okay. That's kind of like, I don't know why you're trying to like sabotage me. Alright, here we go. I think it's gonna work now. Watch it work now. Watch it work now, bro, because I'm meta. Oh my god, it didn't work again. Linear velocity. Because I didn't... Look at this. Look at this, bro. Like, what is this, bro? I'm toxic. I'm toxic. I'm toxic. I'm toxic. I'm so toxic. I'm the most toxic coder ever. Oh my god. I didn't put true after this. I'm so terrible. I am so terrible. Spell run 3 times. I'm not even gonna do it. I'm not even gonna do it. I was gonna do it in my head, but I'm not even gonna do it because I don't know like what it is. I feel like it's a trick. I feel like you guys are setting me up. You guys are being little tricksters, and I don't like it. You guys are being little snakes in the grass that feed off of people's embarrassment and making them look funny by spelling run 3 times. Oh my god! Yo, I actually did it. I was like, I know y'all saw that. I was like, I had to pause real quick because I was doing it. That's crazy. Yo, it took me a few times though. I was like, what? The faster I did it though, it actually made sense. Oh my god. Nah, you're cooked, bro. You're actually cooked. Holy shit, that was funny as fuck. Dude, look at this dash! Dash, 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 dash. Dash, 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 dash. Dash, dash, dash. It's a motherfucking dash. It's a motherfucking dash. I'm dashing. I'm dashing. Alright. Now... losing it? You're ridiculous, bro. No, like, you're actually kind of corny. I'm not gonna lie. No. You're actually kind of corny. No, you're being real corny, bro. If I'm keeping it a $1.59, bro. A $1.55 thou. A $1.55 thou. You're mad corny. You're mad corny. Okay, so now that we got that out of the way, if has dash. We can get rid of this. We can get rid of like all of this. We can get rid of all of this, yeah. Wait, what did I just delete? Is this a task.spawn? Okay, that's a task.spawn. We don't need that. Is that right? Is that right? Is that right? Alright, let's see how that works now, bro. Hey! Hey! Cool. I mean, that's kind of cool, right? So we got the dash working now with our velocity module. And then now we just need to get the knockback working. Easier said than done, bud. Easier said than done. I don't even have too much of it in here. Okay. Knockback handler. Oh, we're already doing it. Okay, okay, okay. We can actually test this now. Okay, bet. Alright, we're gonna test it. We're gonna test it. A chuddy chud, bro? Like, what are we talking about? 1v1 you in what? In whatchamacallit? I think could be Mr. Rhyme, bro. I know Mr. Rhyme comes in here a lot and he's like always on some other account. B59K New Slang 2026, bro. Facts, bro. B59, bro. Can you not? I don't know how I would fix that, bro. I don't know why. I don't know what I would do to fix that. I don't think there's anything I can do, really. Yeah, I don't know what you expect me to do, but that's probably not gonna happen, dude. So good luck with that. Good luck with that. Oh, you clipped that, RZ? You're funny as fuck. You're hella funny, actually. Yeah, well, there's nothing I can do to fix it if he can't, so that's RIP that. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh my god. You actually see the pause? Hell no, bro. Hell no. Alright, let's see if this knockback works, bro. Let me actually, I can share the whole thing. Ooh, cool. But I think it just kind of like forced me off and then that was it. So I don't think it actually is working because it didn't, I don't think it turned off. Yeah, I don't think that's working. Is that a cool feature though? But the whole point of the game is to try to get back to the platform. That's kind of like why it's just deleted after a second, like so make it faster. Okay. I can do that. Wow, what just happened? That was so weird. What just happened? Alright, let me I mean it deletes after we'll go like 0.2. It's supposed to stop, bro, after the you know, after like 0.7 it was supposed to stop. So I'll do 0.1. We'll do 0.1 and yeah. Oh, you know what? You know what? Actually, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm not gonna lie. Let me see. I think we need to turn this back to 0 here, no? Because that's like not going to 0 equals 0. And then we'll have to do this like right. I mean, it's in the same frame, so it doesn't like the code's running in the same frame, so it really doesn't fucking matter really. But all right, let's see where we're at right now. Let's see what it looks like. All right. Oh, cool. That was lit. But is it gonna... Did we fix the bug, though? Is the bug fixed is the big question. And again, I'm not using align orientation right now either. So, I'm just, like, just not doing that yet. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. I couldn't click in time. Alright. Yeah, let's try and see if this is looking good so far, though, honestly. Like, I think the bug is actually fixed, bro. I'm not gonna hold you. I might lessen the dash a little bit, because I kind of like that little drop off. Shit, no. What the? Dude, I need to, like, here, this is it. Alright, bet. I keep, like, having this in the middle, dead center of this, bro, and that's not helpful at all. Alright, bet. It worked. I think it did, too. Now, the bug, though, is where you teleport, and it, like, completely fucks up the game, right? Oh, see, that didn't work. See? So, sometimes the knockback just is a stupid position that just doesn't make sense. But I feel like that's an easy fix. As long as the teleporting's not there, then I think we're good. Teleporting to space. Yeah, exactly. You're like completely off the map. It like wasn't even space or anything. Like you're just not there. But I don't think we're getting stuck like the... I kind of like the dash a little bit better now, honestly. So I'm going to probably turn down the dash a little bit. Because it's just too, like, long or whatever. So where's the dash time at? Oh, okay. Oh, my dash time is, like, not even that long. I'll just do 2, maybe? Because the force is powerful. So I'll just do 2 on that. 0.21. 0.21. All right, and then what do we need to do for what is it? What do we need to do for whatchamacallit? For the knockback. Oh, the direction. The direction's like not... It just doesn't make any sense. Okay. Well, let's go to our direction. How are we getting our direction? Let's see. Direction. Handle knockback. Knockback direction. Target dot position. I think I'm gonna chat GPT this. Because this actually makes sense why it's like, you know, wanting to act silly. Oh my god, this fucking code is so shit. No, I'm not going to put that as a poll, you goofball. What up, Gooster? Ghoster, what up, bro? Whom has the better legacy overall? What? I don't even know who's Virgil. Who the fuck is that? Skid? What is Skid, bro? What up, though? Vibe coding. Alright. I mean, do your thing, bro. Do your thing, bro, but don't say I didn't warn you. Don't say you didn't get warned. I wonder if I can upload a short while I'm live streaming. Hold on a second. I'm gonna do that real quick. Okay, RZ, help me pick out a short, bro. RZ, help me pick out a short. Help me pick out a short, bro. I'm gonna send some shorts in. Help me pick out a short, bro. Should we upload that, like, that random video we just did with the spell run 3 times bullshit? Herkle someone. Herkle. Holy crap. Select all. Okay. That's kind of like, I don't know why you're trying to like sabotage me. Air velocity, because I didn't. Dude, I feel like it's a trick. I feel like you guys are setting me up. You guys are being little tricksters, and I don't like it. You guys are being little snakes in the grass that feed off of people's embarrassment and making them look funny by spelling run 3 times. Oh my god. That was actually so funny, I'm not gonna lie. That was actually hilarious. I cannot lie, bro. Okay, how am I gonna edit it though, bro? Am I gonna like speed it up and do like 1.5 times speed or what? Like, do I just take the whole clip and then like how do I edit it, bro? GPT history? Yeah, definitely not. Definitely not. I be asking ChatGPT a bunch of shit, bro. Like, the last thing I asked it was, how do I tie my belt? Oh shit. Yo, what up, Nate? What up, bro? What up, dog? How do you time your what? Alright, dude. Yo, RZ, can you give me ideas, bro? If you said it, that would have been a clip farm. So it's not a clip farm because I didn't say it. I mean, dude, I said it in my head and you can clearly see it blatantly. RZ, I'm just gonna send you the freaking video, bro. Ridiculous, bro. Holy shit, that was funny as fuck. I'm dashing. Alright, I'm just gonna put the video in the Discord, bro. Now, losing it? You're ridiculous, bro. No, like, you're actually kind of corny. I'm not gonna lie. No. Alright, it's uploading. Yeah, but I want to chop it up because there's some dry moments and I don't want those dry moments there because in like short videos, that's not a good format to have like a lot of dry moments unless it means something, which is like me thinking that in my head that was kind of like the clickbaity or whatever, you know what I mean? But just I'm gonna send it. I'm sending the whole clip in the chat, RZ. Just tell me how you think it should be. Like, should I just cut it up and do the speed up and slow down thing, or what? You know what I mean? Like, is that actually a good idea? Like, cut up the dry moments that are like meaningless, and then do the speed up and slow down shit, or what? Like, I don't really know. Shit, I got a call coming in. So, I'm gonna take this real quick. All right, I'm back, guys. Let me know when that video comes in, RZ. What you think? How you think I should? How you think I should do it? Crack the quote. Holy crap! Select all. Okay, that's kind of like I don't know why you're trying to like sabotage. All right, here we go. I think it's gonna work now. Watch it work now. Watch it work now, bro. 'Cause I'm gonna. Oh my god. Where's your network ownership bypass? What the hell are you talking about, dog? We moving different out here, Skid. You gonna have to get on somewhere. Yeah, tell me what you think, RZ. Tell me what you think. I would like your opinion. I use CapCut, by the way. It's free and like it's so easy to use. I used Premiere Pro for like 4 years. You guys don't know this, dude. I've done like video. I used to do video editing in Photoshop. Um, for like I did it for like 4 years, but this was like years ago. So I just use CapCut though, because it's so fast and efficient, and it's like, you know, exploiting in 2026 is not profitable, bro. Like exploiting. Crockpot, can you show us your anti-cheat? Like I don't do not worth investing in, bro. What are you yapping about, dude? I don't care about anti-cheat though. Anybody that watches me knows I don't care. Let me know what you think, RZ. Let me know what you think, bro, about that video, bro. To make it into a short. Let me know what you think, bro. Let me know what you think, bro. I'm in CapCut right now, bro. I'm in CapCut right now, bro. Let me know what you think, dude. Got you. Yeah, bro. Please get me. Please get me. I think 2 times would be funny for the run part. Like what? Like what do you mean? Like just times 2 speed? Times 2 speed? But what about the whole video, dude? You're so funny, bro. Swear to gosh. You're a little goofball. We're almost an hour into the stream, dude. Holy frick. I gotta go to the store before I forget. Alright, let's get back to this. What were we doing, bro? I honestly have no idea what I was doing. I literally lost all train of thought. Oh yeah, the direction is just BS. Okay. I don't think it's this one. I think it's this one that's fucking up. I really have no idea. I want to get the ball direction. I want to get the ball direction, bro. Let me try to get the ball direction. I don't even know where this code is. Oh, it's in classes. Okay. All right, let me get the direction of the ball, and I think I need to do private dot direction equals vector 3.0. But I need to flatten it. I think I need to like not flatten it, but I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. So private dot direction, and then set target, handle movement. Okay, handle movement. Direction. Collaborated vector. This is where the movement's handled. Okay, so private dot direction equals direction. And then what we'll do is when is the next Zombie Nights update? Oh my god. Who are you, Hercule? How do you know about Zombie Nights, dude? Jesus. There's only one person I can think of that knows about that game. I'm not gonna lie. Like, that's crazy. Holy crap. Oh, you're... Alright, RZ. Peace out, bro. No worries, dog. Alright, why do I have client scripts on the server? Because it'd be like that. In this project, I'm moving them into the I'm client, so it's just it'd be like that. But yeah, this is an old project. All right, then what I'm gonna do is function movement prototype get direction. This is when I was like using encapsulation for no goddamn reason because like honestly, who gives a fuck? So what is this actually? On register fireball. Oh, this is the fireball. Okay, that works, I think, if anything. So that was like not smart of me. Okay. This one, if not blocked, knockback, last target, dot position. I feel like that one should work too. Which is the one that's like dead? Like I feel like these should be working. Minus direction. Why is it minus though too? I don't know. Whatever, dude. We're just gonna try this though real quick. We're just gonna try that and see what happens, bro. Alright. Okay. Oh, that's wrong. I mean, like it's like kind of working better, but it's not at the same time. It doesn't have too many stale moments though, so I'm not gonna lie, it kind of looks badass. This could be like a game by itself. Dude, you're a hater, bro. You're a D1 hater, dude. But dude, I think we fixed the teleportation bug, like genuinely. Just by moving the velocity into its own uh script, the way we were handling it before, I think that like literally fixed it. So now that main bug is fixed, we just gotta fix our direction though. Our direction's cooked. Um, Should you not turn off ball collisions so it doesn't hit both players? What are you talking about? There are no collisions. I don't know. I don't know what you mean by that. Scripting looks so scary. I could never. I'm just bad. Well, dude, this is bad code that I'm working on right now. This is code from like over 3 years ago, and it was just random prototype after prototype. Then I turned those prototypes into a game, and I just was hacking shit together the whole time. I never cared about like the structure of the code or anything like that. Like I was just making random shit, and then I threw everything together. And so what I'm doing right now is I'm going back over it, and I've since created this module to fix a bug, which I believe we've just fixed, where when a player gets knocked back, they end up teleporting and it breaks the game. And that was like the last issue of the game, and now we're needing to fix the direction because the direction just is not good right now. So we need to fix the direction. It seems like to push you back more than just regular knockback. What? Like when the ball gets close to you and you hit it? Well, yeah, that's what we're working on, but we want to fix the direction first. All I need to do to say, hey, push the player back more is change this one variable. This right here. This right here. If I wanted it to last longer and be pushed back more, then I would just change this right here. But we're working on the direction because the direction is not consistent. The direction is ass. Does that kind of make sense? So, yeah. So we need to fix that. And this doesn't fix it, by the way. So hold on a second. Maybe that'll fix it. I doubt it. It's not that easy. No, that's not going to fix it. We just need to like get a better direction, okay? So I'm actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to use ChatGPT for this real quick and see if it can like come up with a quick fix. A quick little fix. That's what I did before, and I don't understand why that's not working. It just told me, it just gave me this code that I have. It just literally said to do this, and that's... I don't know. Hold on a second. Oh, I have a server part now, though. Hold on a second. I have a server part now. This was all client shit. So I don't even need this. Minus workspace dot server. Did I call it server movement part, I think? That's my direction right there. And then I need to like flatten it. I'm gonna get rid of this real quick. And then I need to like not flatten it, but I need to equals vector3.new direction.x3 back direction.z. I think that's what I do. I think that's what I do right here. Let's copy that. Um, yeah, because like I don't know what I was doing before, but whatever it was before, it was like a client. It was like a whole client situation. Since then, I moved the ball to the server and fixed all that dumb shit. So now let's see how that works, dude. Uh, the direction of the ball when you hit, or the direction of the knockback you take when you get hit by the ball? The direction of the knockback you take when you get hit by the ball, Herc. I don't know why, like this, like I said, bro, this code's like over 3 years old or something. Maybe not over 3 years, but it's like 2 years old. Maybe over 2 years, something like that. Well, I'll tell you what. It's definitely like kind of working better, maybe. But I don't think it's. I think this is what's happening. Watch this. Watch this. All right, we just increased that, so let's see how that. Let's see how that plays. Let's see how that plays out, bro. See if that's lit or not. Litter titter. Oh shit. That definitely didn't really work so well. It just makes you go down too much. But also, why does it like make you fling around so weirdly? Like, I mean, I know that, but like that's I'm explaining it wrong. See, look, like he barely moves. He barely moves. And then the other guy was like getting flown around like a freaking rag doll. Oh, I'm not even sharing, but yeah. See, the position just doesn't make sense. It's not adding up for me. Or the direction, I guess. Let me see what we have here again. Oh, that's not it. Let me see what we have here again. Oh, we're minusing. Okay. I don't know why I was doing that either. Like, I don't know. Whatever. This was so long ago. Alright. Bro. This is like that last bit, I think, too. Like, if this works, then it's really just finishing up the skills. And then maybe just like upgrading the game itself a little bit. Hey, that was clean. See, that's what I was looking for. And I think I'm gonna ragdoll it too to make it a little bit better. Let me see how that plays out again though. Let me just test it a little bit more. They go down too much though, but that's an easy fix, I think. Yeah, like way too much. At least they're not teleporting, but we can't. It's hard to tell. Hard to tell. Hard to tell. Hard to tell. All right, so let's check our velocity, bro. I think that's why. Let's actually see where that number starts out at. Hold on a second. Oh. Velocity. Oh my god, it starts out so much greater, and we have it starting out at 3. So that makes more sense. Okay. Now it should actually work. I actually genuinely think it's gonna work now. It's gonna be lit, dude. It's gonna be so lit. Okay. Yeah, no, it's definitely gonna work now, dude. It's gonna be fire. There we go. That's lit. Now it's just kind of OP though still. I mean, it like insta-killed me. And we don't want it to insta-kill you. Yeah, nah. Nah. Why is it insta-killing me, bruh? It's literally insta-killing me. Oh, I just seen it. I set the velocity to, what do I do? Oh, well that's not it then, because I'm already doing it right there, dude. And I don't even use the direction Y. So the direction Y is pointless. I mean, I might as well just remove this line altogether. Because I don't even use it. Okay, that's right. That's right. That's right. Yeah, that's right. Sometimes it be like that, bro. You just never know what's gonna happen, dude. You just never know what's gonna happen, dude. I think we're good now. I can't really tell. Not so much a bug anymore. We did fix a bug. I think we fixed a bug. I have to test like in a public server, in a live server real quick to be 100% sure, but I'm pretty sure we fixed the teleportation bug that we've had before. Ooh. That was lit, but it's like too powerful now. But dude, that was like, it's like working better now. I just need to maybe turn down the time again, maybe. Yo, what up, Altix, bro? I see. I see. Okay, so that's because we're not stopping the okay. I see what's going on. See if this works. We'll see if this works, bro. No idea if it's gonna work. No idea at all. But frick it, dude. Yeah, it definitely did not work. I just don't feel like doing a full blown like thinking it all through. Oh, that's because okay. It's this right here, dude. I think that's right. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I don't know. I don't know. I mean, if anything, I could just forcefully stop the player, but I don't really know if I want to do that. Oh, cool, dude. It worked. That was actually kind of lit. Hold on. That was lit as fuck. Now we obviously gotta tweak that because he's like staying in the air for a little bit. I don't want to do that. So I'm gonna adjust the condition for that. But that's cool though. It's working a lot smoother now, bro. And I think we fixed the bug. Yeah, this game's gonna be lit, bro. It's lit. That's all it needed, bro. I just need to finish the skills. Hells yeah. I kind of fuck with that too. That little delay, but I don't think that's gonna be in there though. I don't know if I want that in there. But that little delay is kind of tough. This is looking fire, dude. I'm not gonna lie. Let me check this is nearly zero function. I didn't even look at the function. See what it's doing. So velocity dot magnitude. I see. Could just increase this. Increase the threshold should get rid of that delay. Let's put a to-do list. Just so I don't know if I want to. Alright, well, I'm going to be testing this. Not today, but another day. Oh my god. Let me see how long this stream's been going. An hour and 35, dude. Are we gonna hit that 2 hour mark? I don't know, bro. I feel like I need to, but I don't want to. That 2 hour markaroo. It's a tough one. It's a tough one. I will say that. I will say that. What the hell? Bro, Twitter is cooked, bro. I be getting so much weird shit on my timeline, dude. Thank God it's like mostly anime stuff, though. Dude, AI is fucking weird, bro. Oh my God, bro. What is this fucking Twitter shit? I am so dead. What in the fuck is happening right now, dude? That's actually smart. People are hating on this game. That's so smart. It's so smart. That is so freaking smart. Escape tsunami. I just the first time seeing it. It's getting so much hate right now. People are just shitting on it, but this is like fucking smart as shit. It's a good ass game. It's crazy. Oh my god. Oh. Oh, I gotta watch that. Ooh. Yo, what up, Felker, bro? What up, dog? Bro, I just saw that tsunami game for the first time. That shit's actually gas, I'm not gonna lie. Looks questionable. LOL. How's Blade Ball development going? I mean, do you want to play it with me real quick just to test it? You can. I don't care. I just fixed a bunch of bugs. Like I think I did. Like the knockback bug was probably the knockback bug was probably the worst thing. Uh, uh let me go to it real quick. Phantom Ball still has over 1k CCU. Like that's kind of crazy. Not gonna lie. Bet, bro. Yeah, you know, join it if you want. So like the new knockback, it doesn't have, I'm fairly certain it doesn't have the bug where it like teleports you and shit. But cuz that was the main issue and that was disruptive to gameplay. And we still got that game paused. That's weird. I got to fix that teleport shit. We shouldn't have got that teleport pause thing. Oh, and it's still OP. The knockback is still OP. The fuck? I gotta say, I think I gotta tell it if it reaches a certain amount, then don't minus it, maybe? Or did I not change? Did I not update the last? Maybe I didn't update the last shit that I did. Let me see real quick. Yeah, maybe I didn't. Oh, I did. I did. No, I did. Yeah, I did. I had to have. Because I'm seeing it right here in the console. Or wait, no, maybe I didn't. Alright, I just updated it. And then now let me go to servers real quick. And I'll redo the servers. Restart servers, I think. Is that it? Do you gotta like, what, man? Fucking Roblox, bro. I swear to God. You gotta go to like their. Has the latest publish? Okay, whatever. You gotta go to their thing now. I don't understand it. But anyways. Yo, what up, what up, Yeah, it's still too like kind of like over the knockback is still too overpowered. But I think the glitch is fixed, and that's the important part, where the bug it teleports you and breaks the game. That part's fixed, I think. So, uh, it just needs to. I need to put a condition on the Y factor for the velocity because it's supposed to go up then down, and it's just really going up. Like you see, it doesn't even go up. I don't really understand that. And the thing is though, is literally just tested it. I just tested this shit and it was working. In studio. Like it wasn't doing this. It worked way better. That's why I'm like, dude, there's no way it has the updated version. There's no way it has the updated version. There's no way it has the updated version, bro. Like Roblox is corny. And I can't like reset from studio anymore, which is stupid. Honestly, bro, Roblox needs to get their shit together, bro. Corny ass shit. Because I know damn well it's not updated, bro. Ain't no way. Maybe it is. I don't know, bro. Maybe it's just overpowered in the live version, but for some reason the studio it works perfectly fine and it doesn't zip you all the way to the freaking bottom. Whatever, dude. I'll figure it out another day. I'm too tired. Anyways, the main bug is gone, so that's what's important here. I can always fix the direction and the force and stuff, and that's really simple for me to do. But the main point of this game, though, is that, like, you want to be able to get back to the platform, right? And so, obviously, like, with the way the knockback is right now, you can't do that. So it's kind of like, messed up. Oh, it also, like, okay, I see what it's doing. This can't be updated, bruh. Yeah, this isn't updated. I don't know. Roblox is stupid, honestly. What you think though, Felker? You think it's in a better state? Let me, bro, let me literally show you how it is in studio, because this is ridiculous. It's actually fire. Right on, bro. Hell yeah. It has pretty solid framework, so fire. Pretty solid framework so far. Bro, you know what framework? The Roblox dev community is misusing that word so much right now. And it's actually crazy because I've seen like some intermediate to maybe even advanced programmers misusing it. A framework, that's not a framework. A framework is like a framework is like a tool for that you use on the surface level, right? Like a UI library is a framework, you know what I mean? But like just having like I've seen somebody post today gun mechanics, and he was like made another framework for another game, and it's like, brother, those are just gun mechanics. It's not a framework. You see that? Bro, no, 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 no. This is how I know Roblox is fucking retarded. This is how I know Roblox is fucking retarded and something ain't right. Because this is the updated version. You can see clear as day. Watch this, bro. Hold on. Watch this. Watch this. Give me 1 second. I've always thought of a framework as like the structure of a backend. It's more than that though. It's a framework is more like a tool to make, it's not just a structure of a backend. It's a tool that you would use to make coding, like surface backend code, more efficient. Do you see how the new knockback works, bro? So you saw that, right? It's not updated. You saw that, right, though, on the stream, bro? The actual knockback? That's not what we just played. So why was it saying that it was the server we were in was up to date when it's clearly not? Something ain't right there. Yeah, something ain't right there, bro. Kinda corny. Not gonna lie. Oh well, though. It's like whatever. I don't care. I'm done for today anyway. Like knit framework? Yeah, knit is a framework, yeah. Like knit is something you use to make coding backend shit like more like efficient than if you were just do vanilla. You know what I mean? Like a framework is a tool that you would use to help you code whatever it is the framework's based around. So like vanilla UI, programming vanilla UI is kind of AIDS. It really is. So um React Lua and Vide and Fusion, those are all frameworks. Although I would never use Fusion a day in my life. Those are all frameworks to help you code and manage and organize. They're tools to help you organize and set up code, right? So, yeah, I don't know where this started because this is like kind of recent. Like I just started noticing it, but people are like using frameworks all the time now to describe basic ass mechanics. I don't understand. I don't know where it came from. I don't know where the like, you know what I'm saying? Like how they got popular to like misuse the shit. You know what I'm saying, bro? Yeah. So just for future reference, I guess. I've seen people when they're like looking for paying someone for programming, they'll like mention, "Oh, I need this framework built." And it's just like, "Hold up, you're not even a programmer. Don't just misuse words, dude." And as I say that, I'm someone who really just sucks with terminology, but I don't use terminology. That's one thing. I don't use terminology. If I'm using terminology, I know what it is. I know what it is. You know what I mean? Like I don't just but I don't I'm somebody that doesn't really give a fuck. So I don't even go out of my way to use the stuff that I know. Like I don't really use terminology. I just don't care. And it's nothing I do research on. But framework is one of those terminologies that I do know. That is a term that I am familiar with. That's what usually the case is, yeah. What are you working on, Felker? Like, do you make games too, bro? Don't you make games? Just when I thought I wasn't gonna hit the 2 hour mark, bro, you hopped up in here. Let's see where we're at. We're at 2 hours, bro. 2 hours and 4 minutes. And I'm digging for some shit right now. Few game. Saber Arena. Is that your game? Like you own it? You're a senior developer on it? Yeah, just say like the main dev, I guess. I don't know. I mean, if you want to call yourself senior, then go for it. See, labels are labels, bro. Like, I just label myself a fucking programmer, terrible programmer, the worst programmer ever. I just don't care. It's got almost 600 CCU with almost 2 million visits. God, dude, I'm going to town in my nose right now, bro. But my friend ran the project and invited me to work on it. Do you have percentage? I mean, that was the group rank and shit, but yeah. You don't have like any of your own games? Bro, you make 400k Robux a month off 10% off of this game, and it's only got 600 active and almost 2 million visits? Okay, first of all, you got ripped the fuck off. 10% is diabolical, and you were the only programmer on this game pretty much. That's diabolical. You should have got minimum 30. I don't want you ever to take a 10% deal again. And he's your friend? You better ask for that 30%, bro. That's crazy. 30% minimum, dude. Well, thing is, I left project because I was dealing with health issues. Got you, but yeah, I should have gotten way more. I carried that project at the time. Yeah, bro, 10% is crazy. Oh, what up, RX? What up, bro? So what are you working on now, though, Felker? You're not gonna make your own game? Are you just like done or what? Do you, RX? That's what's up. I'm working on a revamp of Cobra Kai game. I'm also working on FNAF. What is that? And a couple passion projects I'm working on for free in Star Wars genre. I'm looking to take Roblox more seriously, to be honest. Yeah. I feel that, bro. Bet. Yeah, I'm trying to get something out, dude. Yo, I think I got something you might be interested. Let me DM you. Alright, bro, sure. Just DM me, bro. Do we have each other on Discord? Yeah, bro, just for sure, bro. I have a bad habit of typing the complete wrong words because I type too fast, so my bad. Yeah, me too, bro. I don't give a fuck. I do it all the time. I just don't care. Dude, my texts, bro, like on my phone, bro, I got so many typos. People think I'm drunk all the time, and I don't do that. You know why I started this project, bro? This like blade ball type project? Cause somebody hit me up about a game called Doom Sumo, and they were like, "You should make Doom Sumo." Now somebody actually made Doom Sumo, and it's garbage. Had they done a good job, I think that game would have been fucking lit as fuck. But I was like, you know what? What if I just made it like Doom Sumo, but instead of Doom Sumo, it was also like a blade ball type game. Very unique, right? Like it hasn't even been done to this day. I'm the only one that's done it to this day. So that's how I got like the idea for the sumo ball game. But what really started it was I wanted to perfect the ball movement. So if you saw it, right? The ball movement is fire. Because Blade Ball came from Genji Ball, which was an Overwatch mini game. And the ball movement in Genji Ball is fire. It's very fluid. The ball movement in Blade Ball is stiff. So I wanted to recreate some like really sick ass ball movement, and that's why I started this project. I saw that look pretty similar, yeah. Bad habit of time. Oh, all right. I gotta get out of here, bro. I gotta get off studio, bro. I'm tired. You friends with G Dun, bro? You're friends with G Dun? You're friends with G Dun, Felker? G Dun's funny, bro. That dude could talk about game design and strategies, strategizing for ever. So could I probably, honestly. Tried to work for him a couple backs, got you. Yeah, I feel that. Ugh. Yeah, the freelance is kind of dry right now. Kind of dry right now, but I'd see I'm the type of person though that like I'd be like not fucking with the community, and also like I'm very particular who I choose to work with. Like I don't put up with any BS. So that right there kind of like, limits the amount of opportunities that are really available. Oh, what's fair? You're completely full? Like what do you mean? I mean, yeah, but how much are you making, Felker? And also how are you finding them? I only have two places I look, so that's probably one of the problems right there. Like I only have two places I look, and I also don't really like, you know, I don't know. I don't put forth like a lot of effort into it. I'm just basically like I'm looking in the two places that I'm, you know what I mean? And then I also have three places, I guess, but I don't really do the third much. Like I sent an email earlier, that was about it. So, like I'm kind of chilling. So like I guess all the places that I'm looking are dry, but yeah. Also just depends on how you get work, bro. Like I don't really put my shit out there like that I'm looking for work, I guess. Most of my commissions range from 100 to 600 USD for short and long term stuff. It's nothing crazy, but I usually get cons from old friends, and I'm pretty well known in the Star Wars community. Got you, got you. Yeah. See, I don't know about the 100 to 600. Like, it depends. I only do weekly stuff though. So, like I said, the way I operate is like I'm only doing weekly because I don't do any type of fuckery, right? Yeah, what's good, CD? What up, bro? Yeah, so how I operate, bro, is like I don't do any type of fuckery. Like I don't do timelines. I don't do deadlines. You know what I'm saying? I do weekly pay until it's finished, and you can expect me to do good work, which I will. You can expect good work, right? And the work will show for itself. There's a lot that goes into the stuff that I'm doing when it comes to programming, and I also have skills in other areas that I bring to the table as well. So there's all that, right? But I don't like put up with any BS, bro. No drama. Like, you're not gonna hound me to finish. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm working and getting it done, and it will speak for itself. But I'm not gonna do a deadline. I'm not gonna tell you if I'm gonna have it done by this day. Like, that's not gonna happen because you never know in development. It's very hard. Any real developer knows it's very hard to gauge how long it's gonna take you to do something. You know what I'm saying? That being said, I can bust out games in 2 weeks, but it's very like what I'm busting out in those 2 weeks, it's not gonna be something super crazy with all buttload of freaking mechanics and content, right? Like you've seen me do the aura farming game that took me 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks. You've seen me do the steal the most brain rots game that took me 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. So I mean, those games I busted out, and those are completed games. You know what I mean? Like for what they are, but that was like overtime work. You know, that was me bussing it out. Side hustle, but I'd much rather full send my game. Yeah, me too, bro. When I look for kids, when I only work for projects that I'm somewhat interested in personally, as I honestly can't be bothered contributing to a vision that I personally don't see a future in. Yeah, for me, it's just is the person cool to work with? Are they gonna be chill to work with? And are they gonna pay consistently, right? And that's really all the things I'm looking for. And if I get a thing that's not a thing, bro, then I'm out. You know, like I don't got time for that. And so all the people I end up working with are actually they fit that box. You know what I'm saying? Like they're not like I don't know, they're not immature. You know, they're not like out here being crazy like a lot of these other dudes are. But yeah, bro, I don't know, man. Do you think Felker? Do you think? I mean, let's keep it above 55. You think sumo ball? I need to get what I do need to get though is I'm probably gonna end up paying for this, but I'm gonna change the thumbnail and the game icon because they perform terribly in ads, bro. Terribly. So I'm gonna change those. But outside of that, bro, you think Sumo Ball is a good? I think it's a good little game, dude. I think it's one of the best games I've made so far, for real. I think it could really be up there, to be honest. Yeah, I think GFX need work, to be honest, but it does look very solid. Well, I mean, dude, I did everything myself. Everything in that game you're seeing, except for the sword models, I did it myself. So I don't really care about the GFA. I mean, I would agree with you, but like I literally just hacked that shit together and threw it up there. So like that's pretty much it. Like if it's fun, it's fun. I think if it were to pop off, then obviously I would like put more work into it. I'd invest into it. But I'm not gonna get crazy with all that stuff from the get. And I don't even know if people like it or not, you know, because you definitely don't need to do that on Roblox. Get crazy with your assets. What genre is this? Action, battlegrounds, and fighting. Got you. Action, battlegrounds, and fighting. Just set the genre. Enable beta mode. Release your experience in beta mode to test bold ideas, gather feedback. Is that a thing you should do? I've never seen that before. I mean, players don't care too much about like flashy stuff in the game, but I know the game art can be a complete game changer for games. It can, but it also can't. Like, the game itself has to be smooth and fun, you know what I mean? Because without that, it don't matter what VFX you got. It don't matter what VFX you got, but if you at least have a fun game, you know what I'm saying? Then you're good. Then you're good. Like, what do you mean? What keeps the dopamine firing? The VFX and stuff? Yeah, but if you got a fun game, bro, that fun game's gonna keep the dopamine firing. You know what I'm saying? Oh, yeah, yeah. My God, bro. I'm like done for. I'm like tired as hell right now, dude. Yeah, I'm done for. I'm gonna call it, bro, because I still need to go to the store and get like a little something like to drink and snack on real quick. So I'm gonna have to peace out, and I gotta go to bed. So yeah, yeah, bro. Hey, thanks for the chat though, Foker. I appreciate it, and thanks for hitting me up with that. You know, we'll see what happens, and I'm chilling either way. You know what I mean? Like, I'm dead ass chilling either way. Yeah, facts, bro. You gotta take micro breaks, dude. We were just talking about that on the other stream, a few days ago or whatever. All right, bet, bro. I'll hit you up. But yeah, peace. Thanks for everybody in the stream, and we'll be on here tomorrow. Streaming every day until we're rich. You feel me? Like, just streaming every day until I get a banger ass game out. You feel me? But all right, bro. Peace out. Yeah, stay locked in, bro.